Hello everyone, welcome to Happy New Kids Learning. Today we'll be learning about means of transport. Means of transport. There are three means of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. Land transport. The means of transport that move on land is called as land transport. As land transport is cheaper, it is the most common means of transporting people and goods from one place to another. So let's see some of the land transport vehicles. Car, bicycle, auto rickshaw, bus, scooter and train. Train is also a land vehicle. Air transportation. The means of transportation that moves in air is called as air transportation. Air transportation can move people and goods to different places very quickly. However, it is the expensive and comfortable to land and water travel. These are some of the examples of air transport: aeroplane, helicopter, hot air balloon. Next mode is water. The means of transportation that moves on water is called as water transportation. Water transport is slow as compared to land and air transport. People use water transport for shorter distance while transporting huge quantity of goods to faraway places. Some of the examples of water transport are ship, cargo ship, submarine and boat. Hope you enjoyed with me, kids. See you soon. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.